Welcome to Ari and Nitu channel.
Hi friends, today I got my car. See here, I'm fixing this car now. Bye.
You're going to show it?
You're gonna show it. Come on, let's see.
Aarith, are you ready? Come on.
Totally right.
Right. Still more right. Okay, stop. Let's.
Hi friends,
I'm going to show.
I'm going to show my car. This is a horn. If you hear the horn, this is starting system. This is a push start.
Accelerator.
Accelerator. If you push it, it will go. Then if you go low, high, or backwards, it will move like this. Now I will show you how it moves. Move like that. And this is the sound system. There's two songs, three songs. Then if you move backwards, move fast. Want to go fast?